Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you some embellishments that I'm going to be sending away for a swap. We're having a Maggie Holmes embellishment swap. I just wanted to show you just in case it could inspire you to use your scrap stash today. This video is about the heart embellishment that Maggie Holmes had. It was a product before, and then a lot of people got inspired by it, and so did I. So I used a puncher right here, just layered it up, and then did this. I just cut it up and then stitched on it and added some flowers and a sentiment. And I'm using my favorite flower punch right here, and I got that from Amazon. I thought this is super cute. It's the perfect size of an embellishment. So simple. I'm going to set this aside. So that's our first one. And I made some simple ones just in case my swap partner wants to embellish it. I layered it with foam tape, but I thought it gives them the freedom to do their own spin on it. I made a couple of those. And this one is just a simple, same design, but a different sentiment. Right there. And then this one has the same concept, but a different design. I put a butterfly on it. I thought it was super cute. Lots of texture, lots of layering using the paper collection. And then this one I thought was so cute. I just fussy cut this one from the paper collection. And I layered, this is a multi-layer. Lots and lots of layers with this heart. And then this one is also layered because you can see 3 different strips of paper right in one embellishment. I thought these turned out so cute. This one is another stitched heart, and then I thought I was going to give my partner the freedom to embellish where she wants, whatever she wants to put in there. This next one is a lot of layers, as you can see, and then I just put a moment to explore, and then just a punched heart with a pearl right there. I thought these are so simple and cute and easy to replicate. This allows you a lot of freedom to embellish it however you like. I know everybody has stickers, and I just gave her a framework to work with, and then she can embellish, because I like embellishing. So I thought this would be so cute to send out so she can layer it up how she likes. I just used some paper scraps that we all have, stitched it up. I really need to fix my sewing machine. I just don't know how. This is another layered heart. This is how they're selling it, but it's not super layered. This one has 3 sheets with very thin foam tape. So guys, I hope that inspires you to use your scrap stash today. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like. Thank you for watching my video, and have a wonderful crafty day. This is Christian signing off. Bye.